Sure.
So we're gonna bring this thing all the way here. We're gonna shuttle back and forth, baby. Get lost up in here. All right, so we're gonna put this right here. Go back. There's no easy way about it. You just gotta embrace the grind, baby. That's why we get paid to do what we do. Here.
Who you have right there? You see the cinder block right
Yeah,
there?
I'm gonna take their tools.
Oh, go more down. I question to you.
You should have brought a wagon.
Huh?
You should have brought the wagon. That's why we use in front of these buildings. You put it all in a wagon and you take it down. Huh? The wagon?
No, the car.
Oh, where is it?
First,
Oh, you don't have it here.
Ready?
I got it. Yeah, carry the wagon. The wagon makes it so much easier. That's what Daniel carries all the time.
I'll bring it to me.
Let's just take it all at once.
No, I'll never bring it. We can go here. We can take the elevator to downstairs.
We're done.
My dog is right there.
Oh, I thought you said it was in the car.
No.
Okay. Oh, it opens. Is it like that?